Measuring contact list growth with Easy Texting. Easy Texting's reporting and analytics tools provide valuable insights into the growth of your contact list over time. To access this report, click Reporting and toggle to the Contacts tab. You can use the drop-down in the upper right corner to filter reports by date range. The Value tab will show raw numbers for each metric. You can toggle to the Percentage tab to see the same information presented in a percentage format. Subscribed shows the number of contacts that were added. Unsubscribed shows the number of contacts that opted out. And Contact Growth shows the net number of contacts added or removed. Scroll down the page and you will see the Contacts by Source section of the report, which provides valuable insights into how your contacts were added to your list. Source can include an uploaded list, manually added contact, outgoing contact, keyword signup, and more. Congrats! Now you know how to see your contact list growth with Easy Texting.